Mod Podge, okay? This is just a gloss Mod Podge. A little craft brush I got from the dollar store. And I'm using, which I need to get some more of because we were really low now. I've had this diamond dust forever, so it does last a long time. I get this diamond dust from Amazon. I do believe under Lori Tools, there's a link. This is actually real glass, so you got to be careful with it. It's real shards of glass, okay? But it makes the sparkle. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this because I did half of the white here. I did sparkly. But you can really, I can see it here. I can really see it with the light hitting. So if you want to up your sign game a little bit, all you have to do is exactly what I'm doing. Take a little brush and some Mod Podge. I just put it in the lid of the Mod Podge. And so I already did half, so I'm going to do the other half. And you're just going to brush on wherever you want some glitter or whatever you want to do. Brush it on with some Mod Podge, okay? Now, it really doesn't matter if you use matte or a glossy Mod Podge. We do have Mod Podge, like the little bottle. If you don't use a lot of it, you won't want to buy a huge thing of it. So we do have these small bottles on our website because I do use Mod Podge from time to time. And you're just going to take your little craft paintbrush. This is an angled one, so it's just in a little packet that I got from the dollar store. And you brush the Mod Podge anywhere you want your glitter. Okay, so I'm just doing it on the white of the sign. And it'll give it a little bit of a pop when the sun hits it. And it looks way more expensive, right? So if you're selling wreaths and stuff and you can up your sign game a little bit. This is an 8-inch sign, and like I said, you can use any sign, and you can just match the colors. Like I said, if you want to do your country, your team, whatever. Okay, I think I can see the Mod Podge all on there. So by the time I'm finished my wreath, this should be dry. Get a wax paper or something to put underneath so you don't waste any of your diamond dust. And you're gonna liberally shake your diamond dust or your glitter, whatever you want, onto where you Mod Podged. Okay, and then give it a little tap. Yeah, so you can, if you just brush it on carefully with a paintbrush, you can direct where you want your glitter. Okay, and now I'm just going to tap off any excess. And there we go. Now, let's see, a little bit, I don't want any glitter on my words here, just on the white. So I'm just taking the end of my brush, and wherever it's stuck, where I don't want it to stick, you just remove it. Okay, and there we go. Now the white part of my sign, I hope you guys can see that. It's really, really pretty. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and now we just amped up. Hold on, I wanna put a little bit more in the A here, where the white is. I just amped up my sign game here. And like I said, be careful with this stuff if you're going to use the diamond dust. It is shards of glass. So don't be scraping it like this because you'll get it stuck in your hand. Just grab a ruler or something and put it into the garbage. And then don't forget to wash your brush if you want to reuse it again, because if it hardens with the Mod Podge, it's garbage. All right, so I'm just going to grab my cardboard here. I got to get some more of my diamond dust. I've had this for probably a couple years. So you don't, when you do stuff with it, you don't use a ton of it. And just make sure you can shake it off and put it back into the container.